having an intelligent conversation. People just meet and fall in love, and a relationship starts. Where's the intelligence? They just come together, enjoy being together, go to bed, and there is no honesty in their communication. Human love across the board is ignorance. We all know that everybody wants love, and everybody loves love. But I come along and say, no. First it must be an honest love. Honest to God or truth. This means having an intelligent conversation. I have no right to be angry in this relationship. I have no right to be resentful of other people. I have no right to be negative in any of these matters. I might get angry or resentful because I am not perfect, but I have no right to be like that. And if I am, would you please ask me why I am unhappy? And I will answer as honestly as I can. I will endeavor to see that the problem is in me. If I can't see it, I will tell you, and perhaps you can tell me what my problem is. Often the other one does see it, and if they do not accuse or blame, they can tell you the truth. Yes, you're concerned about this or that. Or, it is about your previous lover. That's what your problem is. Well, I don't know that. But what is it that you see? As long as there is no emotion or accusation in the conversation, you can help each other to get the emotions out. As soon as you try to justify your reactions, the honesty is lost. From Barry Long's new book, Living Love.